Hi, my name is Mia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to vlog number 9 of our Interrail series through Europe this summer. We are now in Zurich in Switzerland, and let me tell you, the train ride here was the most beautiful we've had on this entire trip so far. We are so glad that we came here. Even Zurich itself has been nothing but a surprise, even though we just took a 10-minute walk from the main station to our hotel. The entire street was lined with like zero-waste stores, fair fashion stores, vegan restaurants. It's amazing, and we cannot wait to explore the city, and I hope you're as excited as we are, because we are about to head out, and of course we'll take you with us. We have now made it back to our hotel after our first round of exploring the city, and let me tell you, it is breathtakingly beautiful here. I don't even know where to start. I mean, you've seen the videos. It is just gorgeous. The city is full of like zero waste stores, fair fashion stores, and I actually went shopping too. I know Zurich is probably the worst place to go shopping since everything's so expensive, but it is a miracle for me to find shirts that are long enough, and I did find them here, and they are so beautiful, and I'm so happy. Yeah, and just everything here is so pretty. The architecture is beautiful. The lake is gorgeous. The water looks like we're in the Caribbean. It is so clear, you can see all the way to the bottom of the lake. There's tons of swans here, and yeah, the sun was shining brightly, and that made it like reflect off the water, and it looked like, yeah, the entire lake was sparkling. and it was just really, really, really beautiful. And yeah, we even dangled our feet in the water for a little, and it is surprisingly warm, so we are definitely gonna go swimming either tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, so far we are very, very surprised by Zurich, and yeah, definitely happy that we came here. So the stay in our hotel room just got a lot more interesting, because the minute that we turn off the light, everything else stops working as well. The phone stopped charging, the little fan stops running. So yeah. Good morning. It has been a decent night of sleep. It got really, really hot and uncomfortable in between, but we managed to get some good hours of sleep in anyways, and we are very excited to explore more of Zurich today. Are back from a wonderful morning and early afternoon walk through Zurich. We have had breakfast with a wonderful view. Then we went swimming and we just walked around the city a bunch. It was a very, very beautiful day, a very hot day, which is why the water was very nice and refreshing. The lake is just so clear, and the turquoise blue water is just really, really magical. The other fun part is, since we do not have any service in Switzerland, we have not been looking up on Google Maps places to go, places to see. We have just kind of been following wherever our eyes take us, and it's been really, really enjoyable so far. it is now shortly after 8 p.m. We have come back from a very nice evening walk. The heat really beat us today, so we were enjoying some quiet time in our hotel for a while, but we're glad we went out again because we got to see a really cool area of Zurich that is a lot different from the rest of it. People were swimming, there were a lot of little kiosks, and yeah, just a really fun area to see. But yeah, now we are back at the hotel. We're about to take a cold shower because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be another really hot night. But yeah, this is the end of the day and the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because we are headed to Barcelona tomorrow.